Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I have a short lick to show you guys. Very, very important. So we are playing this song, Holy, Holy, by Sinach, right? Yeah. On the key of C. Right? So that is song, Holy, Holy, Almighty. So I actually played the lick when going to my 7th here, which is a T, right? So Holy, Holy, Almighty. Yeah, so that's all about the song, right? Sorry, I just tried to do one or two things. So what I did there is you get it, let me play it slower. So this is actually what I did. Let me just go straight to the point. Very simple, right? So, like I said, I'm in the key of C. So very simple. Sorry. You said sounding right, so to go to go. So let's go now. You see I applied it right? Go to my T. Let's go again. Let's go. So you see it sounded right, sounds great. So what I did is my I started from my Tila, right? Tila, T, then I started to my La, So, right? Tila, So, Tila, So. Yes, it's right. So, Tila, So, Do, right? So that re do is like me, re do, I started to, right? So right? Re, mi, then D, right? So that's just all about the liquid. So very simple. So just try as much as possible to use a metronome or a drum loop to just follow it. Try it on a very slow BPM, on a very slow tempo till you get to your desired tempo. Yes. So make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? So there you go. So that place is your, when you're going to your T, if you want to replace it with your saw, but if you don't want to go to saw, you can just go to your T. And when playing that T, you can actually run this riff there, right? Even this song, I think this popular song that has been trending this. I even need the cover of it. So, yes, I remember the song. Open the eyes of my Lord. You can actually use the same lyric to it. So, open the eyes of my Lord. Open the eyes. You see, open the eyes of my Lord. Let's go. Open the eyes of I want to see you, right? I want to see you, right? So that part. So, you see, that will still work with it. Even our first song again. So just try any of the songs out. Both of them is going to work with this particular riff or lick, right? Yes, I'm going to say in my next video. So just work on it. Take it slow. Take it slow. Take it easy. Right, like I said, use a metronome. Always use a metronome or a drum loop or a backing track, right? It's actually going to help you keep you on time and rhythm. Right, it's very important. I'm going to see you in my next class.
Hello, guys. My name is Kelvin James. I'm a professional award winning bass player with over 2 decades of playing actively and over 9 years of teaching consistently. I've taught over 1,000 students both online and offline, right? So I have experience. I did try. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play the bass, you have no idea of what the bass guitar is all about, and you want to start, I have a course compiled on Udemy. Right, it's very comprehensive and affordable. I'm sure you can afford it. And also, if you're an intermediate, you want to get advanced, right, in your play, I also like you to get the course. It's very affordable, like I said earlier, very affordable, right? The link is on my bio, and I also drop the link in the comment section. Please go get it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Also, if you want the private classes with me, send me a DM so we can talk actually, right? So it's actually different plan altogether, right? But I'm sure you can also afford it. I'm going to see you guys. Thank you.